Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Roxy, and if it's your first time stopping here, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. And what's up to my returning subscriber? So today I'm doing a Romwe slash Shein tech haul. That's what I'm gonna call it. Our gadget haul. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to see the pieces that I got, go ahead and continue watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. This is the first item. It's like a little stand for your phone, so if you want to do like Facebook Live, or if you use your phone to record and you need like a tripod for your phone, you could use this. I actually set it up wrong, but you'll see in the video that I will switch it around. So yeah, this is the first item. I will leave the price on the screen so you guys could see how much it was. It's very sturdy. Surprisingly, I wasn't expecting much from it. Now this is like a selfie ring light. I had one that I had gotten off Amazon for like $12. It worked perfectly fine. This one does not work. I don't know if the batteries that I have is like dead or whatnot, but that thing don't work. So I'm gonna take the battery from the one that I have previously and try it in there. So this one I got for my niece actually. So that's just me trying to switch the batteries, and you know, but I love it. So yeah, but I'm gonna try that and see if it works. So that's just me taking pictures of the item. So right here I actually didn't remember what this was. I had to go back into the app and check it out. So you know how, well, I have break the camera portion, the thing on the camera, the lens off the camera on my iPhone 10 Plus. So with this, it actually protects it. So that's really dope. Love it. So I got one of those. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my phone. Then I'll come back and show it to y'all. Like, you cannot tell if it's on there, but if you feel it, you could definitely feel it and know that it's on there. And that's my phone, y'all. So yeah, so this is the next thing. This, I didn't know what this was, but so you put your Apple Watch in the thing and it will charge. It's like a charger stand for your Apple Watch. I didn't know what it was. I had to go back into the app to see what the hell this was. What did I waste my money on? So right here I have this case for the iPod 2, I think I have. It's really cute. The picture on the website and the actual item in person, the colors aren't that vibrant, which that's what I was expecting. I didn't expect much from it. You know what I'm saying? Alright you guys, so this next thing is ring lights. I did purchase 2 ring lights off the website. It did come with a little tiny tripod. I probably have to replace those tripod because it's too tiny for me, boo. It's not gonna cut it at all. It also comes with a remote, which you will be able to, you know, connect to your Bluetooth, connect to your phone. That way you could take pictures. The ring light did come with the little stand for your iPhone, so you could put it on there and prop it up. It comes with the remote, as I said, and you should be able to connect those to your camera. Those are like $40 or $50 on Amazon, and I wasn't gonna buy it. I normally just take my pictures using my phone from the Canon app. Now that I have this, girl, please, like, excuse me. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the tripod came packaged. This is what it looks like. You have the actual ring light and the tripod. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and connect it. I was using one hand at one point, then I used a shoebox, I used the floor. Listen girl, work with me. So yeah, that's just me connecting it. Now what I love about this ring light is that you could you have the option to use the white light or a yellow light depending on the type of settings that you're going for. So yeah, that's pretty dope. So yeah, I got 2 of them. It didn't come with the box, the base for the USB thing. Alright you guys, so this is how it looks, really tiny. This is the control panel. You got the on button, the option to change the white light or the yellow light, and you could turn it up or turn down the brightness. I was trying to focus the camera on that. I'm still new to this thing. I still learning how to work this camera, and this is just me going ahead to set up this one. I've tried both the tripod. They both work actually. I've used it to take pictures, but I've focused it like on the floor, like I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, it's pretty dope. I actually like it, but I think I have like a couple of stands. I'm just gonna remove the small tripod and put like a regular size tripod on these ring lights. So yeah, really convenient. Like if you travel and you do vlogs or you do makeup content or video content on the go, you could take this little ring light. You know, it's portable, so I do appreciate that. So yeah, that's the other remote. So I'm just going in and showing you guys how I set it up. That's what I'm basically doing. I was actually on FaceTime while I was doing this crap. But yeah. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to try to post more content every Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be Wednesday at 12 noon Mountain Time. So stay tuned for that. So yeah. So it actually came with another piece, which I have no idea where to put it. It didn't come with no instructions. So listen, lady, there wasn't much. I just went by what I actually know. And, you know, I use my common sense, basically. So, yeah. So that is that one. So like if you are a person that do Facebook Live, Instagram Live, you just set up your phone right there and go to work, boo. So this is both of the ring lights on. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up on this backdrop. I was taking pictures. But yeah, that's the other one. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna replace the tripod on these, well, both of these. So that's it, you guys. I talk so much and probably annoying y'all. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.